Okay, here we're going to look at the workshop activity and how that appears for a student. So I've logged in here as a student and I'm simply going to click onto my cat task, which is the workshop. And you'll see that it's in the submission phase, which means it's waiting for me to submit a document or to type something in. So I'm simply going to start preparing my submission. And I'm going to give it a title. In this case, I'm going to upload a document. So I'm simply going to drag that in. Okay, so I've gone into my files, found the correct document, and save changes. And there's my submission. Okay, so after submission, we just need to wait for the time period to pass when assessments can be opened. So 15 minutes later, in this particular example, I've set it so that assessments are now open and submissions are now closed. I've also, for the purpose of this demonstration, set it so that I can mark my own piece of work. Normally, you'd be marking someone else's work. So now that it's moved into assessment phase, I now have a button here that I can click on to go and assess the work. So once I open the assessment, I can click on the document and open that so that I can keep it at the side and review the questions. And I can work through each of the questions, choosing the grade. In this case, I'm going to give 4 out of 5 for the answer. I can provide feedback comments. And work my way through all the questions. You see that the values for each are different. Those correspond to the possible number of marks that you can get for each of those questions within the exam paper. And just work your way through all of the questions until you get to the bottom and click Save and Close. And that's all there is to it.